Hey gorgeous, are you ready to level up your protective hairstyle game? We are diving into the world of stunning twists, all created with one of the most popular and versatile hair extensions out there, Kanekalon. This is your ultimate guide and inspiration to the most gorgeous twist hairstyles with attachments that will have you turning heads everywhere you go. Why is Kanekalon, aka attachment, the go-to choice for twists? It's lightweight, durable, and comes in a wide range of colors and textures. This makes it perfect for creating twists that are not only beautiful, but also last long. Let's explore some of the most popular styles. For a sleek and classic look, you can't go wrong with the Senegalese twists. They are known for their clean, rope-like appearance and beautiful drape. If you prefer a more voluminous and bold style, Havana twists are the perfect choice, giving you a full natural look. And for a lighter, more rustic feel, Mali twists are absolutely stunning. The fun doesn't stop with the style. With Kanekalon, you can play with lengths, go for a cheek shoulder length bob, or add drama with waist length twists, and of course, you can add color. From rich natural tones to vibrant shades and stunning ombre transitions, Kanekalons let you experiment without a long-term commitment. It's all about expressing your unique personality. Twists with attachments are the perfect way to protect your hair while looking absolutely fabulous. They are versatile, stylish, and perfect for any occasion. Let me know in the comments which style you are trying next. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.